Okay, so this is the wind, and the wind is starting to kick up around here, and the winds are coming out the west. Yeah, and you can see that the winds are starting to get gust up here. So you can see the mill guy in the background, and the very down below, and very far down below, and the winds are coming out the west, coming out the south, and so the winds are coming. We're under that wind advisory that goes into effect until 6 p.m. tonight, and then Southern Ohio is under the high wind warning that's in effect until 8 p.m. tonight. So they're gonna get what we got last Saturday around this time, and yeah. And that's the way it is, and goodbye for now, and listen. And this is pretty wild, everybody. Yeah, so the wind sure occur at the 10 o'clock mark in the count. Uh, 5 seconds. And that's the way it is, and goodbye for now.